Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve a system of equations. So the first equation, I have x squared minus y squared is equal to 9. So I'm going to label this equation 1. And for the second equation, I have x times y is equal to 20. So I'm going to label this equation 2. So I want to use these two equations to find the value of x plus y. So to solve this, I'm going to first write down equation 1, and I'm going to square it on both sides. So I get x squared minus y squared squared is equal to 9 squared. And now this turns into, if I have something in the form a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So this is going to turn into x squared squared because x squared is a plus y squared squared minus 2 times x squared times y squared, which is equal to 9 squared, which is 81. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So x squared squared is going to be equal to x to the power of 2 times 2, which is x to the power of 4. Same with y squared squared, so it's going to be y to the power of 4. And I have this minus 2, I can say x times y squared. I can whole square this, is equal to 81. And now I'm going to add 2xy squared on both sides. So from here, I get x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to 81 plus 2 times xy squared. So now I get x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to 81 plus 800. And this is equal to 881. So now I'm going to write this as equation number 3. Now, I have x squared plus y squared squared, because if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So I'm going to square x squared plus y squared, which was our first equation. But instead of minus, it's plus. So this is going to turn into x squared squared plus y squared squared plus 2ab, so 2x squared times y squared. And this is equal to x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus 2 times xy squared, which, remember, we already know was 800, sorry. So now I get x squared plus y squared squared is equal to, well, x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4, we already have the value of this as 881. So 881 plus 800. And this means that x squared plus y squared squared is equal to 1681. So if I take the square root on both sides, I get x squared plus y squared is equal to the square root of 1681, which is 41, and positive or negative 41. Now, if I have something in the form x plus y squared, this is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. So this is going to equal positive or negative 41 plus 2 times 20, because x squared plus y squared is equal to positive negative 41, and x times y, as we all know, already know, is 20. So now I get positive negative 41 plus 40. So I get that x plus y squared is equal to 40, positive 41 plus 40, which is equal to 81. So this is one solution. And x plus y squared is equal to negative 41 plus 40, which is negative 1. So now, if I take the square root on both sides of this, I get x plus y is equal to positive or negative 9. So this is two solutions. And for this, I get x plus y is equal to the square root of negative 1, which is equal to I. So this is my third solution.